So what you're seeing here is the first local test drive of the recently launched Innoson electric vehicle. Now, this is almost the same thing like the GAC electric cars that Obi Kubana actually imported to the country under his enviable transport. And the design is so sleek and the color is beautiful. You could see the local test drive from the video actually displaying right now and see that the whole car, the interior, the portability is actually wonderful. Well, we are going to take time to get a proper review of how this car operates and when it will be available for purchase in local markets here in Nigeria. Now, this is not a sponsor ad, so those of you who think maybe this is actually a sponsor post, no. I came across the video online and I saw that it was really, really important that I bring this information to you guys on first hand that Innoson is now officially making electric cars. And according to a statement from Business, it said Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing Company has proudly announced the launch of its first locally produced electric vehicle. Colonel Osigwe, Head of Communications and Corporate Affairs at the IBM, shared the milestone on Facebook, highlighting the significance of this achievement for the Nigerian automotive industry. According to Osigwe, the electric vehicle was manufactured at IBM state-of-the-art production facility in Nnewi, Anambra State, marking a significant advancement in the country's automotive sector. I want to say a big congratulations. This is like a very, very big win, not just to Innoson, but to the Southeast. Like, it should be now an idea that more people would drag their businesses down to the Southeast. Everything should not just remain in Lagos. Let's continue. He said, I just test drove the first Innoson electric vehicle produced in Nnewi. We are just starting. Osigwe said that this is IVM inaugural foray into electric vehicle production, but the details on the pricing, numbers of units produced, and the timeline for commercial release were not disclosed. He, however, claimed that the initial batch of IBM electric cars were completely sold out. But the question is, if the cars are sold out and they are not really available in Nigerian markets, we don't even see them on Nigerian roads. So who do they sell them to? Is it that they produce these vehicles here in Nnewi, then import them outside the country and sell to other countries? I don't know, because if that is what is happening there, it should be a very big shame and a big blow to our face as Nigerians that such a beautiful work of art, we are not patronizing it. Osigwe revealed that since posting this video, we have received hundreds of calls and upfront payments from interested clients who want to be the first set to drive the Innoson electric vehicle. My inbox was filled with inquiries on the prices. The first set which are few in numbers, are now currently sold out. Electric vehicles play a vital role in reducing carbon emission from road transport, which accounts for over 15% of global energy-related emission, as reported by the International Energy Agency. The electric vehicle market has experienced notable growth in recent years, driven by advancements in range, model, variety, and performance. As of 2023, electric passenger cars now represent approximately 80% of new car sales, reflecting their increasing popularity and the global shift towards sustainable transport solution. I will say another big congratulations to Innoson. And yes, I will not just stay here and, continue talking. I will just play you guys a clip of the test drive. And yes, this is like a rough test drive. And you could see people are already trying to get their hands on this vehicle and ensure that they be one of the first people to drive it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think this is a good move? Do you think most of the Nigerian companies, transport companies, private users, both for businesses like Bolt and Uber, will actually patronize Innoson, since they don't have to import the cars from outside? All they just have to do is meet Innoson and tell them the number of cars, electric cars they want to produce, then he'll get them done. Now, after watching this I would say raw review, please ensure to drop a comment. Tell us what you think about this car in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys.
highlifeng.com